Do you prioritize your daily tasks? Do you write them? Most people don't write the tasks or don't plan their day, and that's why they go with the flow, and that is the reason they are living this ordinary life. To become an extraordinary, you need to have some plans for your day. You need to have some tasks, and the task should be prioritized. Okay, what happens if you have written some tasks but you don't prioritize them? Then you might end up doing the tasks which are not as important as you have left behind. So what you can do is, I recommend in the morning or maybe a night before to prioritize your day. You can prioritize your the task. At least you can write like let it be a 5 tasks you want to write, and then prioritize that these are the P1 tasks that need to be done early in the morning before 12 or 10, and then some P2 tasks that you want to achieve before 3, or and P3 tasks which you want to achieve by the end of the day, or maybe 6 or 7, so that at the end you can analyze that these are the tasks that are left and these are the tasks I have done. What happens is, if you have done this like this in the prioritized task, and you do the prioritizing in the morning, the main task in the morning, then you can see that your day will move smoothly, because you have eat your frog, the biggest frog of the day. So start prioritizing the tasks, start writing your tasks, start planning your day, and do the work according to the prioritization, because you will do the things due to their priority. Like if you have 2 tasks and you know that this is much important for me and as compared to this much, then you will put more effort towards this task, then you can mark it as P1, and you have to complete that task before continuing to this task. Now this is how you can improve your life and make the decisions for the day. Hope you understand that prioritization is a very important or the critical aspect of your day. So start prioritizing.